When we go to the books of the ministry, every child is supposed to be receiving 22,000 shillings capitation. Last year, the schools in Nyeri only received 17,400. This year, the schools are reporting that they look like they are most likely going to be receiving 15,000. What is happening to the money at the Ministry of Education that is supposed to go towards capitation? The net effect is that literally every secondary school is in debt. And the issue of how to manage these debts has to be addressed by the ministry. We have a lot of students who have completed school in the past, but because they have debts in their secondary schools, their certificates are still held in the lockers